Okay mga kaibigan, kasama natin ang ating kakampi si Maring Winnie Mulsod at makapanahin natin live sa studio si Presidential Son at Pampanga Representative Mikey Arroyo. Congressman, welcome ulit sa one-on-one si Maring Winnie. Ayan.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yung pinapakita ng verified dito, yung bahay na yun, kukumpirmahin lang natin, sa'yo yun at nabili mo yun, ikaw may-ari nun?
Well, it belongs to a company named Beachway LLC.
Oh. Yan yun.
That company?
I'm not the sole owner of that. I'm part of the owners.
Who are the owners?
Well, they're
What
private
is your
citizens.
share? What is your share in that?
I own about 20 to 30%.
And
To 40, something like that.
And your wife owns how much?
Well, she doesn't own anything about it.
So 40% of that is
Yes.
yours. And
The
you
families, my immediate family.
so that's, it's a family-owned corporation.
40% of that
Is owned by the family.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you bought the house, this house that is not here, but is in your stock.
Dito sa
Yes,
studio.
yes.
And you bought that, and who lives in it?
Nobody, ma'am.
It is something that you just have there?
Investment.
Well,
Nobody rents it?
Nobody.
Not. So, okay.
Okay, eto, hawak po natin yung Statement of Assets and Liabilities and Net Worth ni Congressman. Pakipaliwanag ako, wala kasing nakalagay dito yung bahay in particular, no? So, saan mo siya pinasok na kung talagang dineklara mo, sabi mo?
First of all, no.
Oo.
Insofar as I am concerned and my lawyers are concerned,
Oo.
and I believe many public officials do this also. We can put property under a company's name,
Okay.
and then as long as we declare the property, the company. So this year we declared it.
So, nakapasok siya dun sa name ng firm and company.
Yes.
Yung Beachway Park. Ito
Beachway
yun.
Park LLC. Yeah. And then I declared
Ano
a
ang ginagawa ngayon?
Shareholder.
They hide it in a company.
No, that's not hiding. It's
Or
legal.
then what is it?
Well, it's a legal way of teaching us how to deal with our son.
And that amount of money, well, it's very important that we get from A to Z. When in 2002, Mikey, your net worth was 5 million.
2000.
All right? In 2002.
Okay.
In 2005, your net worth went up to 76 million na.
Well,
And, we'd like to find out how your income went up. Because certainly as a congressman, hopefully anyway, ang salary mo as congressman, hindi kayang tumaas yung net worth mong ganyang kalaki. From 5 million to 70, ano sinabi ko? 76.9. Oh, 77 na lang.
when I was
This is 2005.
in 2002, I was a vice governor. Okay, I only became congressman 2004. So, well, under the law, assuming you make mistakes in your sal, you can always amend it the next year as long as you pay the proper taxes.
So
So, may mali dun sa 5 million.
Kasi hindi pa tayo sanay mag-declare nun, di ba? Siyempre. So anyway, those shortcomings were amended the next year.
Marimini, ito, 2008, ano na siya? 156 million.
Pero may mautang tayo.
Hindi, 99 million,
Liabilities,
naging 99 million. So,
99 million.
gawin natin from 2005, 76 million to 2008, 99 million. Tapos meron kayong investment sa isang bahay, for example, na walang rent, nobody is there, etc. So, it's not increasing in value. It doesn't give you income. Where do you get this additional income, Mikey?
Well,
Ayun ang gusto namin malaman.
As I said, no, I'm not the sole owner of that. I have friends who co-own it, who are part of the corporation.
Oo. But the point is that there is income, there is additional net worth to you. And we cannot see, hindi namin makita kung paano tumaas ang income nyo, to be able to acquire that kind of net worth. Kasi iba pa yung iyong mga companies, hindi ba?
Okay.
Oo.
Yung sinasabi mo, yung naunang pag-file mo ng SAL, na lumilitaw 5 million, hindi mo pa alam paano mag-file noon. So, nung nalaman mo na paano mag-file, ito na bigla nang lumaki yung assets. Pero, Mula pa rin
that is personal to me, and the law says there's a way of amending that.
Okay.
Oo. So marami ka nang dineklara dito
Yes,
sa mga
yes.
sumunod na mga taon na. Oo.
Pinalitan mo ba?
Ma'am?
Yung pinalitan mo ba nung 2005 nung tumaas ng malaki ang 76.2 to 76.9?
Okay.
Pinalitan mo, did you declare, a correction of your previous assets and
Inamend.
liabilities
Oo.
para makita na, naku, nagkamali pala ako?
Well, as far as I'm concerned, as far as the lawyers who have been preparing my salary concerned, we did our part in trying to amend such errors.
Ang lawyers mo pala ang
Nagpa-file nito.
nag-file
Oo.
ng
Yes,
sala
of course,
sa accountant.
tsaka po sa accountant.
Di dapat marunong sila.
Yes.
Hindi naman sila mga bobs na
As a
nagkakamali
matter
ng
as a
gano'n.
matter of fact, I was saying in those who were interviewing her,
Oo.
they said, where's the lawyer? I said, when he comes back from abroad, I'm sure he can explain that this very well.
Sino lawyer mo dito?
Attorney De Guzman, as far as I'm concerned, because about the issue about the house, well, there are some insinuations are saying that it was misdeclared, I didn't declare it.
Yeah.
I'm saying that it's declared.
Dineklara mo, okay.
Not hiding anything. As a matter of fact, when I'm there,
Abdul sa
people come there.
nililinaw mo sa report, hindi mo pinagbibili yun.
Hindi
Kasi
rin.
sinabi, binibenta, di ba? Okay.
Oo.
Isa lang ba yung bahay mo sa Amerika?
Siyempre naman.
Kasi meron ding ibang mga
Okay.
report na sinasabi na meron ka rin ibang binili. So ito lang yung dinideklara mo yung sa, ano to?
Baka may binili, pero baka hindi para sa akin yun.
Hindi,
Para sa kumpanya yun.
Hindi, kasi...
Para kanino kayo?
Kasi, because in 2005, correct na yung salmo, no, Mikey? In 2005, ang sabi mo kasi, yung house na binili mo sa US na on installment basis, ang acquisition cost is 49.5 million. In 2006,
Pesos.
49.5 million pesos. In 2006, dun sa salmo, I suppose it's the same house, pero ngayon ang acquisition cost mo tumaas na ng 63.7. Paano nangyari yun?
Where was that where?
Here, your 2005,
Tumaas na yung ano nung
your 2005,
market value ng
sinabi mo
bahay.
49.5 million ang acquisition cost mo, no ha?
Ito yung 2005.
Okay.
Doon mo binili yan?
Ito.
Yeah, no, this is a
Ay,
different
bayan.
house already.
Yeah, no, wait. This is the first time you declared a house in the United States.
Yes.
It's 2005.
Yes.
Rest
Okay?
house, okay.
Now, this is the same house,
No.
so you have two houses.
No. The house we sold the house after about 5 or 6 months.
And then you bought another house.
Yes.
And then this is the house now.
Yes, ma'am.
That you,
Ang worth
that you-
63 na.
Yes.
Oo.
So magkaibang bahay to.
Yes.
Ah.
And then ito, nabenta rin to.
Nabenta ngayon
Yes,
yan.
it's not the Foster City residence.
So which is your house now?
Ito yung nasa big
The Foster,
And
But
where is that?
Wait,
Where is that?
stop saying it's my house. It is the house
Okay.
owned by Beachway
Pero
Company, which I'm a shareholder.
Ibig sabihin, nakakatatlong bili ka na ng bahay.
Kasi that's
binebenta.
real estate, di ba?
Oo.
You try to buy cheaper house, then when the market goes up, you try to sell it.
Yeah.
And then you acquire a better living place,
Tapos ibebenta niyo
then you
ulit.
sell it.
And so you have no residence at all in the United States.
Na nasa pangalan
That is
mo.
your family residence.
Solely none.
None.
So ang
None.
bahay na to, kumpanya.
Kumpanya.
And this house you have never lived in the United States. This house.
Siyempre, if I go on vacation, siyempre I stay there. Just like the other shareholders, they stay there also.
So ilang kayo dun sa
You
corporation? Ilang kayo?
want to tell us who the other shareholders are,
No,
Mikey?
they are not at liberty because they're private citizens.
Pero ilang kayo dun sa corporation?
But it is a corporation.
Yeah, but
so
they-
their names,
nasa
sandali
SEC,
lang.
nasa SEC.
Their names must be in the SEC.
Yeah, so go look for it there because they
Oh,
told
well,
me
then
not
it's
to.
public record.
They told me not to say it here.
But you are a public official, Mikey.
but that's
You
right,
cannot
but-
say I am protecting my private friends when you are responsible to actually declare
Tita-
why. Hindi ba, anak?
Hindi Tawini naman, no, Tita Winnie.
No,
As far as
I'm
I
very
know,
serious
as far as
about
I'm concerned, of course I will tell you about my personal portfolio. But how can I divide the portfolio?
No, Mikey. This is a company that you own and it is registered with the SEC. So it's a public document. What you're telling us is, I want to make it difficult for you, for us, because kawawa naman yung friends ko. Ang problema, Mikey, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito yung assets and liabilities ng isang government official, government employee,
Under
na
question. Naki-question.
medyo pinagdududahan.
Oo.
So it would be very, very, I think it should be very transparent for you to say, these are the people who I own it with. Because ngayon, sasabihin namin, baka mga
Dami.
lang yun.
That's why I said,
Oo.
if you are in doubt, sue me in court.
No, Mikey. You know what?